Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae. I'm back with another video as promised. I told you all that I was going to be installing that closure that I customized on my previous video. If you haven't seen how I customized this closure, definitely make sure you go check that video out. I'm going to have it linked in the description box below, so you can just click right on that link and see how I customize it. I'm going to be laying my lace today with some, what is this lace called? Lace grip. It's called Lace Grip. I'm going to do a separate review on my channel about this lace grip. I actually like it better than the Bold Hold, and I like it better than Erica J's glue as well. I'm going to try my best, y'all, to do a video where I try out all three glues for at least a week to see how long it holds up. None of these glues last me over a week, but this lace grip has lasted me the longest. And I have a physically demanding job where I have to do a lot of physical moving, so it held up pretty good through me sweating, through me washing my face every day. This lace glue has held up pretty good, but like I said, I'm going to do a separate video on exactly how I feel about this glue. This closure is a HD closure. It's a 5x5 and I got it from someone on Instagram. But I'm just going to do about 4 layers, and I'm going to let it dry in between. When it dries clear is when I'm going to lay my second layer. Once it dries, after my 4 layers, I am going to go ahead and lay my closure. I'm going to press that into my scalp, but what I did realize is that I did put a little bit too much glue where it's left a little white hue. But you all are going to see throughout the video that white starts to fade once I am done melting my lace. So once I'm done blow drying my hair, also by the way, I had the blow dryer on the highest heat setting, or the second highest heat setting, and that's the little hue that I was talking about. But I'm going to go in with my elastic band. It's kind of old a little bit, y'all, because I might use a couple times, but take an elastic band if you have one, and that will help your lace to melt into your skin. And once I do that, I'm just going to start working on doing my crimps. I always blow dry my hair before I do my style. I just like for my hair to be straightened first. I feel like it makes the style more sleeker regardless of if I'm doing curls, crimps, or straightening. I always blow dry it first. So I'm taking my Dyson blow dryer to do that. So now I'm going to begin the cutting process. This video is going to be on me cutting my hair into a crimped bob. So here I'm just cutting my hair. I didn't mind it being a little bit choppy because it's kind of supposed to be like a fun, messy kind of bob look. So not all the way messy. I still wanted to have some type of sleekness to it, but I didn't mind it being a little choppy because it was going to be crimped, so you wouldn't have been able to tell the difference. But for the back area, I did have my boyfriend help me cut the back. I am just going to show you all how I cut the front, of course, and then my boyfriend cut the back off camera, and then that's when I began to put my crimps in. So this is where I'm going to take each section of my hair. I'm going to spray it with some Got To Be spray. I'm going to take my crimping iron that I got from Sally's, and I'm just going to begin to create these crimps. Y'all, I love me some beautiful crimps, and I'm just going to show y'all how I get them. I got a lot of videos with crimps, but I said it's been a while, so let me go ahead and crimp it out for y'all. So to ensure that your closure lays extremely flat, a great tip is to take the Curl wax stick in between each section that you section off, and that you're gonna put a little bit of that wax stick on there, and then you're gonna go in with your flat iron. After you use your flat iron, you're gonna go in with the hot comb to flatten it out. So you're gonna section, wax it, flat iron it, hot comb it, and then proceed to whatever style that you're gonna do once you're done with that step. Ooh, wee baby, that lace is melted, but y'all can see it's still a little white right there. But like I said throughout this video, it's going to fade because I don't have it right now on my closure. But anyways, I'm going to take me a razor and I'm going to razor it off. You can use some scissors if you create like some jagged lines, but I just feel like it's better to use a razor because a razor is going to automatically create jagged lines when you cut the closure. So here I'm just sectioning out the baby hairs. I seen this YouTuber use the Tresemme hairspray to lay down her baby hairs, and that's what I'm going to be using too. I'm going to spray it onto that lace first though, and then I'm going to tie it back down with that elastic band, and then I'm just going to snip it a little bit of my baby hairs, and then I'm going to push the rest back just so it gets like that frontal effect look, and then I'm going to proceed to finish the other side of my crimps. I really like that Tresemme holding spray, y'all. It made my lace melt a lot more, and it's really easier for me to lay my baby hairs with this too, because everybody always uses foam to lay down their baby hairs, but I just feel like I don't have enough control over it. But I seen someone else on Instagram say mix the foam with some Got2b gel. I haven't tried that, but I'm definitely going to try that next. I liked the Tresemme better though, but it still took me a little bit working with the baby hairs, trying to, you know, put that in place. But I liked it better than foam, because foam, I don't really have control over the baby hairs that much. But like I said, I'm going to try different techniques and videos just to show you all what works best for me, because everything doesn't work for everybody. Like, people be putting on like some stuff be the best stuff, and it really don't. So throughout these videos, I'm just going to give you all good tips for, especially for us women who have jobs where we got to move around, or if you are just somebody who's active and just moves, exercises, works out, and you got to do a lot of moving around. But anyways, I'm taking my concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just kind of carving out that part some more, defining my part. And then I'm going to take some I think it's called high beam black spray, and I'm going to use that just to make my part more neater. I actually kind of liked it like this, honestly, but that high beam just kind of, you know, it makes it more neater. It just puts the style together a little bit more, and I like it like that. So I always like to finish my hairstyles off with some type of shine spray, and I'm going to be using that Fantasia heat protection spray. And after that, I'm going to take me a wide tooth comb. Do not use no skinny end comb, because it's going to mess up your crimps. Use a wide tooth comb, or you can just detangle it with your fingers. And I'm just going to comb out my crimps, because I don't like for my crimps to be real hard. I like for it to be looser. I feel like it falls more when it's looser, and it looks cute. It gives it a little bit more volume, and you can play with it some more, honey. And this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on that thumbs up button. Click on that notification bell. Follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you all thought of the video, and I will see you all next time in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.